Good morning everyone, this is Rajesh Palve from the technical desk. I just take you through the Nifty technical view as well as the USD INR technical view for the day. In the last trading session, Nifty opened with the negative gap and remained lower in the initial half of the trade. In the second half, Nifty tried to give some sort of pullback action and managed to cross 7400 level. But again, in the last half an hour of the selling, Nifty dragged lower and lost around 94 points compared to the previous trading session and closed at 7362 level. Nifty has formed long bearish candle indicating the sustained selling pressure. Index is currently moving in the lower top lower bottom formation on the daily chart, which is also sign of negative bias in the market. The chart pattern suggests that 7350 is the immediate support area for the Nifty, and if Nifty breaks that level, then we may see further more downside towards 7300 7260 in coming trading session. On the higher side, 7400 would act as an immediate resistance area for the Nifty. If Nifty crosses 7400 level, then we might see further more upside in the range of 7340, 7360, 7440, 7460 level on the higher side. As we have mentioned earlier also, 7515 will act as a key resistance area for near to short term trend. So till Nifty not crosses 7515 level on the weekly closing basis, it will remain under bearish trend, and whenever you get any opportunity near to this level is the shorting opportunity in the market. On the moving averages front, Nifty is continuously trading below to its 20-day, 50-day and 100-day moving average, which is a negativity on the short to medium term trade front. On the indicators front also, the Nifty has given the negative crossover to its reference lines on the RSI front as well as on the stochastics momentum oscillator front, which is a negative development on the near term chart front. For the day, 7375 is the pivot level. If Nifty crosses this level, then we will see some sort of bullishness, and on the higher side, 7405, 7445 could act as a resistance area for the day. However, on the lower side, if Nifty not crosses 7375 level, then lower side support area would come at around 7335 and 7310 level. For the day, some positive bias stocks are HUL, Yes Bank, TCS and IndusInd Bank. Some negative bias stocks for the day are BPCL, Vogue Pharma, Tata Motor, Infratel and Tata Global. Now moving to the USD/INR view. In the last trading session, USD/INR opened on a strong note, and on the higher side USD/INR marked a high of around 68.54 level. But in the second half, we have seen some sort of selling pressure in the USD/INR, and USD/INR dragged lower towards 68.36. USD/INR gained around 0.10% compared to the previous trading session. USD/INR continuously forming higher top higher bottom formation on the daily chart as well as on the weekly chart, which is a positive bias on the USD/INR for near term to short term basis. So till the USD/INR not breaks below 68.10 level, 67.90 level, the trend will remain positive on the USD/INR. On the higher side, now 68.50 would act as an immediate resistance area for USD/INR, and if USD/INR manages to give the breakout of this level, then we may see further more higher side level of 68.70 to 68.80 on the higher side. Thanks.